Hello and welcome to the basement, and welcome to yet another episode of Kick Chat, a very serious show about sneakers, where we take sneakers very seriously. I'm your host Maz, aka Mazzy McBeard, aka No Poof. No Poof, baby. We usually try to do 1 to 2 episodes a week, and we would love nothing more than to keep doing this, and therefore, we need your support, guys, so please, like, share, comment, subscribe, and sucker punch that bell button. Thank you. Now, today we're gonna do things a little bit differently. As you've probably already heard or probably already know, 3 of the most popular Yeezys were re-released in the last couple of weeks, and we got our hands on all 3 of them. 2 of them come from Sneakers and Stuff. Thank you for taking all of my monies. There we go. And 1 I traded. So, without further ado, let's put on some sexy music and open these bad boys right up. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. So again, we have the Sneakers and Stuff paperwork in both of the shoes. These go away. Let's take out the boxes. There we go. So, 2 of these I've previously owned, and I wore them for a couple of years and I got rid of them. This one, I'm actually really excited about this. Let's open them up. Ooh. So we have the Yeezy Breads. Bam! Bam! The box, the 500 utility blacks, bam, bam, ooh, $40, I missed these, and the zebras, bam, bam. There we go.
Alright, go ahead.
The 350s retailed for $220 and the 500s for $200. The breads right now resell for around €310, but back in July they went for as high as $900. The zebras go for around $260, which is definitely not too bad if you want to get a pair. But all the way back in September 2017 they went for $490, and these bad boys go for $300, but back in July they went for around $470. All of that means that there are a lot of resellers who got really pissed when they heard the news of the re-release, and that just makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside. And I absolutely love these shoes, and I love the idea that Kanye wanted to put Yeezys in everybody's hands, and he's actually delivering on that promise. Now, because these shoes are pretty famous and known, I'm not gonna go on a whole spiel, I'm just gonna shut up and give you the shoe porn shots. So cue up the B-roll. Let's go. As I already said, I absolutely love these shoes and I'm glad to have them back in my rotation, but that means that I gotta sell a bunch of sneakers to make room for these, and therefore I'm gonna leave my vintage profile down below in the video descriptions for anybody who might be interested. I would love to direct the question to you guys though. What do you think about this re-release, and which one of the three is your favorite? Comment below, let us know. We usually answer to every comment. Thank you for joining us, and if you'd like to support us, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and sucker punch that bell button. We'll be back soon with another episode and another unboxing. But until then, thank you and goodbye.